Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Ian Duffy. For those of you who don't know, and if you couldn't tell by today's title, I got something that I've wanted for years. Little backstory, Kanye West released the Yeezys probably like 6 years ago, and ever since then, I remember seeing more and more people get them. I was like, bro, those look sick. And I was telling myself, once I get a job, I'm gonna buy myself a pair of Yeezys. And finally, right here, I have them. Now, these are the Oreos, or black, white, black ones, you know. You guys are gonna see in a second. Yeah, so big shout out to Footwear Factory, they hooked it up. I got these for $280 after using code DB15 for a discount, and no, that is actually not my code. It's my friend's code, but he hooked it up and came in clutch. So all their shoes are legit, they're super cheap, and I'm not even sponsored. I know who runs the company. It's awesome, man. Big shout out to Footwear Factory once again. Let's unbox these. I'm super hyped. The box is a little messed up, but you know, honestly, I'm not even complaining. It doesn't matter to me that much, but let's get these bad boys out. It was between these or the black ones. All right, so check these bad boys out. These are gorgeous. I can't believe I finally have a pair of them. There you go. They're authentic, StockX. I'm pretty sure they get these from StockX, like they find really cheap ones when they get put up that are pretty much new, either more than one time or new, and they resell them. I might be wrong, I have no idea, but these were new, and you know, StockX verified. It literally has the QR code and everything on the back. But yeah, these things are cute as heck, man. Here's the other one. It's the left shoe, but super hyped to have these. You guys can see some steezy photo shoots. I might throw in a few photos because I gotta go do a photo shoot later. Also came with a StockX sticker and yeah, StockX note or whatever. This wrapping paper, which is like an off-white color. This is one way you actually know they're authentic. Yeah, so that's what came in the box. Let's try these on. I've actually worn Yeezys before. My friend Shahab, shout out to him. I doubt he watches my videos because we're not that close, but I'm good acquaintances with him. He was like the Hypebeast at my school, and he always had Yeezys or expensive ass Jordans, like off-white Jordans, and him and his brother would resell them. That's why he had them. Yeah, man, these are so comfortable. I got them in a size 9.5, and normally depending on the shoe, I'll get a 9.5 or a 10, depends on the cut. But 9.5 and Yeezys is perfect for my feet. It literally fits like a charm. Yeah, my floor is kind of dirty, but you know, we got the legs out here, son. Got the motherfucking legs. Boom. Look at these juicy legs. Boy, if you don't get... Yeah, no, but these shoes are actually so nice looking. Sorry if I made any shoe collector's cringe by, you know, putting my foot on that, but I didn't really dent it any more than it already was. But yeah, guys, today's video is super short. I'm gonna start making short videos when I have something that I want to be like a main thing of a video. Then there's something also more important. So like, I wanted to make the shoe unboxing video, and I could have put it in my next vlog, or I don't know when you guys are gonna see this, honestly, but one of my vlogs. But then like, it would have taken away from the vlog where I got this dyed, or like my rabbit, which you guys have definitely seen by now. I definitely already had that video edited and stuff. I want to make that a separate video, even though technically it literally could have been included in that vlog. But yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you go to Footwear Factory, I highly recommend them. Make sure to use code DB15 for a discount on your order, and drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe if you are new, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload. Make sure to use code FRONT on all your Armored GG and G Fuel purchases, and I'll see you all next time. Peace out, guys.